What's popping with you? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs and good morning. And today is an exciting day because we are here to
unbox a new bike and not our bike. Not our bike. Our bike is coming really soon, but this is not ours. It belongs to a friend of ours who's very camera shy. I'm pretty sure I don't think he's going to be on the camera.
can't wait to unbox this bike.
Yes, the bike is from this company, BMW. The truck is here. Bikes are in that.
Osynlig för blotta ögat, men med påtaglig närvaro, dansar gryfred.
Look at this bike.
This is only one in India. BMW R18 GR90 719 edition. Option 719. And only one in India. And you're getting Acropolis as standard with this bike. So hey guys, we are here at the BMW Motorrad showroom Hyderabad and this is the BMW R90 option 719 edition. This is the only one model available, only one in India.
Basically, it's the only BS6 719 which is being delivered to a customer. And right
So
off the bat,
it is slightly different from the one which Chaitanya has. Can you please brief us with that?
Chaitanya's is only R90 pure. This is R90 719 option 719 you can say. This is totally different. Not only through the colors and everything, a lot of changes. Cosmetic changes basically, if you can say. Engine wise it is the same.
So you're getting fully adjustable suspension at front and rear. You're getting Acropolis exhaust.
Yes.
you're getting this cool paint job. I am in love. It is
Is the
brushed.
same seat or you get a different seat?
Same.
Same seat. So I'm pretty sure the exhaust note will be different from Chaitanya's.
Yeah, absolutely. This is Acra.
Stock Acra and
And I want it to be a little louder than what Chaitanya's bike is. Chaitanya's bike is very low, the sound. I think
That's a stock exhaust. This is Acra, no? It will be a little bit.
and unfortunately we cannot.
Just like a Scrambler, you can say. Scrambler also comes with Acra.
Acra.
Unfortunately we cannot start the bike because the PDA is not done, the battery is not
Battery
connected.
is not connected.
So we spoke to the owner and he's saying the bike will be delivered in 2 days or 3 days. So
Okay, the owner of this bike is very camera shy. Unfortunately, he doesn't like being on camera, so we can't show him who he is. But yes, this is a crazy looking bike for sure.
It's really good, man. Really good. Takes a lot of time to reach and
How much is it more expensive than the Pure?
around, I have to check it.
I
Around,
guess 3 to 4 lakhs,
yeah,
right?
3 to 4 lakhs.
3 to 4 lakhs is the bumper price.
But look at that color. Oh, freak. The red?
This color is good,
This any special about this color? Titanium color you guys were talking about, right?
Yes.
Titanium color.
Yes. If you see prior also, in R90 you used to get only 2 colors. One was black and one was the titanium one. It's raw time, no color scheme on that. This almost is the same.
The best part is I don't feel it.
No, you won't feel.
There's no, it's seamless. I think this, I don't know how do they do this, but it's so beautiful. You don't know, this is the FD09. Oh boy, we can see actually such exotic vehicles. Bye, Malik.
So that bike was the first time I've ever ridden a MT-09 in person, and to be honest, I'll ask the owner for a test drive of that bike if possible. That bike has got such acceleration.
I have never felt acceleration
It blew
like
my
that.
mind away. Our Multistrada does not have such acceleration.
Forget
Oh my
Multistrada. I've
God.
never ridden a bike which has got a throttle like that.
More than a ZX-10R. It is more powerful than the ZX-10R. We had no GoPro, we had no helmet. I mean, not our helmet. We borrowed a helmet. So next time whenever we get a test drive, I'll show you guys the power of that bike. Oh my God, it blew my mind off.
And it's still like, you actually shiver riding that bike. There's no other words I can say. Agree with me? It is
100%.
You people think street triple is aggressive. They're joking.
The riding position is
They're
the riding position is not aggressive. It is very smooth. But the way the engine performs,
unbelievable.
Today is the next day, and that MT-09, it blew our mind away. That throttle response of that bike, we
There is literally like zero and it is on. That's it. There's no like smooth transition. There are different modes to that bike. We were put in the most aggressive mode just to see how powerful that
we
bike
will
is.
definitely ask the owner to give that bike for a test drive and test review. You guys need to witness how aggressive that bike is.
Violence. It is violence on two
Naresh
wheels.
ZX-10R has better throttle response. I mean, smoother throttle response.
Especially in that A mode. Oh boy.
I was a little scared riding that bike. To be
And
honest.
I never experienced a throttle like that. It is not the most powerful bike. It produces the same power as a street triple.
But that initial blip is like amazing.
Insane.
Insane. Amazing nahi bol sakte. It's insane.
Yeah.
So saying that, the R90 comes with three options. One is Scrambler, Pure, and 719 option. Scrambler is
The
more
cheapest
off-road-
version.
Yeah, the off-road oriented. It gets tubeless rims. Then Pure
Is
which-
what Chaitanya has.
What Chaitanya has, and then the
Option 719.
Option
So there's
719.
not much of a difference between the option
It's
719
just
and
the
the Pure.
cosmetic changes.
Yeah. Basically, it's cosmetic.
Yeah, we will definitely ride the 719. We'll definitely ride Chaitanya's bike, and we'll try to compare both of them.
If there's
And-
any other changes as well.
Yeah, we'll get both the bikes and we'll compare both of them
Absolutely, sounds
in
great.
the
Right?
future videos. And also, this MT-09. I can't. There are no other words for the MT-09. That was the first time riding a super bike from Yamaha. It is for me.
Yeah.
I've never ridden a R1S. Hey, Gumara! I've never ridden a R1 as such. So MT-09 was the first and the fastest Yamaha for me. And saying that, you see this painting.
We don't know. We actually didn't tell Shraddha that we're actually putting this in the vlog. This is almost complete. Chota mota final touches are left.
Oh, this
Wow.
I feel this is better than the
cow.
cow. Yeah, better than
In fact, the cow and this are actually to the same customer. They will be shipped really soon. I think Shraddha will finish it up tomorrow. There's nothing much which is going to change. Only the final chota mota changes he wants
looks
to do.
good, dude.
Looks
She took a
fabulous.
sweet little time to make this painting, but the output of this painting, look at how big it is. All it's above my shoulder level, and it's that wide too. 5x5, can't expect smaller ones. You know, the details of this particular painting is excellent. This is one of the best paintings I felt from Shraddha. But yeah,
Like it's fabulous in every sense. Like the amount of time she's taken to do this. Again,
A lot of people keep asking, right, about paintings from Shraddha. Give her time. Give her as much time as possible. Like, not a day. A painting like this took her close to 3 months to complete. So give her, again, this is a very big canvas. Takes that much time. But whatever size you want to order from her, give her time so that she'll do such kind of outputs in every painting she does. This painting is actually, my mom doesn't want to give this to the customer. She's like, let's keep it at home. It's
no, can't. That's not possible.
yeah.
So the Safari has been solved. I've got a lot of
Safari ka problem has been
The
solved.
problem has been solved. I've got a lot of messages saying that what problem it is, but it has been addressed. It was a small software bug, and we took it to the showroom. They addressed it. the car is in perfect condition. And yes, I got a lot of comments also saying that why not the XUV 700. XUV 700 promised to be a very good car, but we did check out from the dealer. As you can see, there are like multiple bookings, and we needed the car very immediately, and Safari was the best bet. So we didn't want to buy the Alcazar because we are selling the Creta. Buying the Alcazar is pretty much the same car. So that is the reason why we went for Safari, and my grandparents are absolutely in love with it. I can see the blush whenever they get inside the car.
They're very comfortable with that car. So we are very happy with whatever we are doing. And coming to our end, our bike, that's taking a little longer. Again, we told you guys it'll happen somewhere close to that November period.
Like I said, I didn't want to talk about it until the bike is almost here or coming in. It's almost in Hyderabad as such.
So yeah, but a lot of people are messaging as well. We already told you.
It will happen, but
Close to.
it's going to take some time. So with saying this, I want to end the vlog. We've actually planned something interesting for the next vlog as well. So stay tuned, guys. Do like, share, and also follow us on Instagram. The new channel is up, so check out for all the sneak peeks, because this video, the 719, we have actually uploaded it first on Instagram.
A small sneak peek.
Yeah, small sneak peek of it. So you guys can check it out. And by saying this,
I need
peace out,
to
guys.
sleep. Bye.